Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program to split a sentence into words, and we are going to use the split function in Python. Here I'm asking the user to enter a sentence, then whatever the user is going to enter is going to be stored in the text variable, and then simply we call the name of the variable, which is text dot, and then we call the function, which is a split. So when I run this code, everything should be taken care of. So I would say this is Reza Shaheen from Python class, okay? And then we see each word in this sentence is now splitted into words. So this is Reza Shaheen from Python class. So each word in my string in the sentence that was stored in the text variable is now divided into words, as you see it here. So this is how we can use the split function in Python. Thank you for watching.